Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Swayam Shiksha. Now, this is Ram Sudhir. Now, this video basically is I wanted to announce some of our mentorship programs. So, as many students were calling us up, like asking for mentorship programs. Okay, so last year we have done two mains mentorship programs. And today, this time, we are coming up with a long-term mentorship program for the next year. So that is basically 2022 mentorship program. So we are coming up with two main programs. One is Prelims plus Mains mentorship program. Another one is Mains mentorship program. First of all, I just want to introduce our institute, which is Swayam Shiksha, or earlier it's Ram Sudhir's IAS Academy, as you can see in the background. So when we started off way in 2015-16, so in the first year itself, we have produced 10 classroom ranks. And from that year onwards, every year we are consistently getting classroom ranks from our institute. So one strong point which I wanted to talk about is, one is the way we approach answer writing. As you can see our YouTube videos with respect to our toppers, All India rank 98 or All India rank 75, talking about our institute. Okay, so we mainly focus on one-to-one mentorship where we try to identify the loopholes of every student, and based on the requirements of the student, we design our strategy and plan. So that is where we differ from other institutes. So why is it so very crucial that a mentorship cannot be in bulk? So there are certain institutes probably which will do mentorship program in bulk, but it is not possible. The idea of mentorship itself is each and every student is different. Each and every student's capabilities with respect to memorizing things, understanding concepts, writing answers, everything is different from one student to another. So based on individual students' capabilities and their lacunae, we have to design our plan or mentorship program. So now that is what at our academy, our group of very talented teachers, okay, and along with great mentors who have gone to interview and were already in service, are going to assist our aspirants one-on-one. So this is something which we should understand. So somebody who has just basic knowledge of what is what can participate in our mentorship program. Through our guidance of our mentors, we will sail you through this difficult journey of civil services. And we will definitely help you out to make this uncertain exam really certain. Okay, so now, first of all, let me try to explain you what is this mentorship. This mentorship is not like a mentorship where we just tell you, okay, polity you read from this book, economy you go and focus on this book, history you go and read from there. No, this is not the kind of mentorship we do here. We are going to give you a day-to-day plan with respect to exams. And before writing a particular subject, there would be a detailed workshop. So as we are mentioning here, the first word here is workshop. So I'll just show you. Okay, the first word here is workshop. So this workshop is something very critical. The first thing which we do here is, before writing any question, before writing any subject, for example, let's say ethics or economy or polity, we will be having a workshop. Before taking up any essay, whether it is governance related essay or whether it is philosophical essay, we are going to focus on a workshop, a 4 hours workshop where we take up previous questions, we try to address concepts, we teach you how to write answers, and then only the student will be writing the tests. So many a time students keep writing answers and there is peer review available everywhere and there is no particular standard evaluation process. So that is creating problems because today there is a lot of material available. It's not about material or it is not about videos. Just for Lakshmikant, you have more than 400 hours of videos. Okay, hardly you can finish the book in maybe a 1 month or so. So the whole logic here is what to read, what not to read is one aspect. How to practice answers and how to sit with mentors, how to structurize your answers so that you make the life of the examiner easy. And how do we get that additional 1 mark extra for each question, which is the biggest challenge. That means 20 marks for each paper. So all that would be personally discussed and with each and every student based on their knowledge level, based on their capabilities. This is how we go ahead. So first workshop will help you out with respect to understanding what type of questions are coming, what is the focus of UPSC, in which direction you should study. All this will be discussed in the workshops. And these workshops should be again guided by, then once the workshops are done, every alternate day you will be taking an exam. So remember that answer writing, or for that matter getting good scores in prelims, it's an incremental process. You cannot do it instantly in 1 month. So initially you will be writing 5 questions every day. So in that 5 questions you will have 1 current affairs and 4 static. For that a detailed schedule will be given to you. So here if you see, what is this detailed schedule I am talking about? So this would be a detailed day-to-day schedule. That means after the brainstorming workshop is done, on which day you're going to take which subject, which reference books have to be done. And then you will be, these question papers will be uploaded in our app. And since this is COVID period, you will have convenience in terms of writing the exam as per your time. So this is one more biggest advantage is flexibility. That means this today morning 9 o'clock you are busy probably. So you can take the exam at 12 o'clock. Based on your convenience, you can write the exam and upload it. Our mentors will evaluate, give you personalized feedback along with giving you model answers for each and every question. And test discussion videos will be also be uploaded in the app, which you can access whenever you want. So that is flexibility is one more advantage which you have. Along with this, after writing 3 to 4 exams, you can sit personally with the mentor. Now, since it is COVID, probably you can have a Zoom session with our mentors where you can sit with the mentor, sit with your answer sheets and discuss what went wrong and where is the problem actually. So that in the subsequent exams, you can try to inculcate the suggestions given by the mentors and you can incrementally improve your answer writing, which is required. And if we can do this for the next 10 to 11 months, success is 100% assured. There is no question of failing because we are not going to make any strategic errors and mistakes. So this is what I wanted to say. So the schedule will be like, we give the detailed schedule like which exam has to be written on which date and then when will the test discussions be uploaded, and after writing 3 to 4 tests, you can book your personal slot with the mentor where the mentor will only sit with you personally. This is the most important thing. With your sheets, we are going to sit and explain what has to be done. So this is going to boost your performance in the final exam. This is going to build confidence. And during Corona period where you cannot concentrate, you should have short-term targets. Our mind is completely vague now because of the pandemic, because of the crisis, because COVID has affected us emotionally or financially. Every family directly or indirectly has got affected because of COVID. And therefore, concentrating on our goal is a challenge. So what should we do? We should select an answer writing program. We should select something where there is a structured format which keeps you on track, keeps you going for the next 10 to 11 months. So this area or this our academy basically will keep you on track for the next 11 months. You can check peer reviews, you can check toppers videos in the description box. And one more thing, along with that, if we see, many of us read many a times and we read a lot of material, but currently just observe what is needed for the exam. For writing a 10 marker, you need 6 to 7 points. And for writing a 15 marker, we need some 10 to 11 points. Now, that is the approach which you should develop. So, on one side, we give you content. On the other side, the way you target newspapers, the way you pull out editorials for making your answer better. This is the biggest challenge. How do we make our ethics answers better off? How do we deal with our philosophical essays? Everything will be in detail discussed. So if you see this flow chart, for example, now there's a lot of discussion on vaccine policy, etc. Now we don't need everything out of it. We just need why our vaccine policy failed. What is the patent related aspect which the US is talking about? Is it really going to help India? What should India do subsequently to make its present vaccine policy successful? And in future, India should improve its R&D, etc. to make us not depend on other countries. So probably the viewpoint is, it would be a very minimum of 7-8 points which you need, which you have to jot down. So these kind of techniques of approaching questions, approaching content will be taught to you in our mains mentorship as well as prelims guidance program. Now coming to prelims, it's not just about this, whether it's this issue with respect to the sedition part, with respect to social media issues. So you may be getting 101 articles, but what is required is limited. That is what I was saying. There's huge information dump. With a click of a button, you have so much of information, but that's not important. What is needed for the exam? In which direction a question can be framed? So that knowledge you will develop by associating with us in your great journey towards being an IAS officer. So that we will help you. Now, more than that, when it comes to prelims, so many students read 9 to 10 hours for prelims exam every day, and then they fail in the exam. The reason for failing prelim is not understanding what UPSC wants. So very, very simple. What is UPSC demanding from us? And it's not knowledge. You should also master the technique of elimination. So elimination will not come just like that. It needs a consistent practice. So we also have this prelims and mains mentorship where every Sunday or every weekend we'll guide you through the prelims questions and you'll be taking a test. And our mentors will help you out exactly like what is the problem, where you are losing. So you have all the content, you have all the knowledge, you've read NCERT, you're reading magazines, but still in the exam hall, you're not reaching the cutoff. That means there is a problem in your preparation style. So we will help you out with respect to identifying where the problem is. And one more thing which I wanted to mention here is on our Swayam Shiksha Telegram app, as well as our Telegram channel as well as app. So the link will be posted below of our Telegram channel. A very consistent and what I can say is high quality editorial material is posted every day. There's a lot of effort. There's a team working on it, trying to understand what the needs of the exam, and we are posting it free of cost. And students can utilize this opportunity of joining our Telegram channel, solving questions on editorials and current affairs. And also we also post some videos on answer writing, and mainly our editorial material is directly posted in our Telegram channel. So you can click the link below, join our Telegram channel. And along with that, we are also having a Swayam Shiksha app through which we'll be conducting this program and several other programs which will help you, which will give you a lot of exam oriented shortcuts, tips and guidance from the toppers as well as mentors. So all this you can get through our Telegram channel as well as our Swayam Shiksha app. The links would be there in the description box. Okay, and I hope you have understood what I am trying to explain. So you can call us on our number 9542868686, or you can call us at 8142111315, which is getting scrolled in the video. And you can get back to us from the description box. The phone numbers are there. So you can have a detailed chat with our people to decide whether this program is apt for you, etc. So we have already run this program. You can take the feedback from our previous students also, as well as the rankers who have, you can have a personal chat with the rankers. We'll arrange a personal chat also if you want. And we are coming up with this program from July 1st onwards. And I expect you all to come up and be part of our what you call organization, in fact, and we will definitely be part of your esteemed goal of becoming an IAS officer. So thanking you, I'm signing off once again. So, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for better current affairs videos and new updates on UPSC. Thank you.